Hello friends, today we are going to learn the solution of the system of equations. So suppose if we have a1 when x1, a1 to x2, a1 and xn is equals to b1, a21 x1, a22 x2 and so on. So this is nothing but one of the system of equation in which all of the aij is nothing but the coefficients and xi is nothing but the variable. Here the bi is also we have a coefficient. If you write down this system of equation in a matrix form, so we can write it as ax is equals to b, where a is nothing but the coefficient matrix which contains all aij's, and x is nothing but all unknowns, that is x1, x2, xn, and b is our column vector b1, b2 and bn. Now if we are talking about the solution of this system of equation, so it depends upon whatever our b is there. So if our b is 0, that means what? If we have the homogeneous system of equation, so it says that if you have homogeneous system of equation, so it has a always solution. The solution for this system, it always occurs. So if a is invertible, so that means what? This system of equation has a unique solution. And if our a is not invertible, that means what? System has infinitely many solutions. Now if we are talking about for when b is non-zero, so in that case, if our a is invertible, so we can say ax is equal to b has a unique solution. Now if our a is not invertible, that means what? If the determinant of a is 0, so in that case we will compare the rank of a with rank of augmented matrix a slash b. So if the rank of a is same as the rank of augmented matrix, that implies it has a solution or it has a infinitely many solution. If the rank of augmented matrix and rank of a is not same, that means what? It does not have any solution. Thank you.